Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video, we're going to look at how you can use AI tools to boost your career and maybe make your life a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and get started. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing various industries, offering career advantages by enhancing productivity and streamlining workflows. This guide highlights AI's impact, essential skills, and practical applications for professionals at any career stage. AI is transforming our work by automating repetitive tasks, allowing professionals to focus on strategic activities, improving decision-making with data-driven insights, and reducing operational costs. AI-powered tools can handle repetitive tasks, allowing professionals to focus on strategic work. Examples include email automation with Grammarly, data processing systems, and scheduling assistants like Microsoft Copilot. AI-driven analytics tools aid in market research, financial planning, and customer insights by analyzing trends, managing finances, and improving business strategies. AI is revolutionizing skill acquisition through platforms like Coursera and Udacity, language tools like Duolingo, and resume builders like Zeti. These tools offer personalized learning, language growth, and job optimization. AI aids professionals in personal branding, content creation, and business operations. LinkedIn tools optimize profiles and suggest connections. AI tools like ChatGPT help create content. Entrepreneurs use AI for marketing, sales, and customer service. To excel in a career influenced by AI, consider implementing effective strategies. AI excels in data-driven tasks but falls short in creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Strengthening these human skills will make you indispensable in an AI-driven workplace. Understanding AI and its applications is crucial. Stay informed about AI advancements to remain competitive. Integrate AI tools into your workflow, starting with simple tasks and gradually expanding their use. In summary, AI is revolutionizing careers across industries by enhancing productivity and decision-making. Professionals should leverage AI tools, continuously upskill, and focus on human-centric skills to boost their careers. Embrace AI as a tool for growth and future-proofing, with adaptability and strategic implementation being key. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's giving you some solid ideas on how to boost your career using AI. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.